Hello. Today, we'll introduce you to the Elegance style, a perfect choice for property staging that captures attention and accelerates the sale process. This style combines simplicity, elegance, and carefully selected materials to create an atmosphere of refined comfort, making the space genuinely appealing to potential buyers. The Elegance style doesn't just beautify the interior, it also increases its market value. With its subtle colors, natural materials, and thoughtful lighting, this design brings the space to life, allowing potential buyers to immediately envision themselves there. This greatly speeds up decision-making and simplifies the sale. Each room designed in the Elegance style is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The living room fosters a warm, inviting atmosphere with soft pastel tones and elegant furniture forms. The children's room harmoniously combines safety and style with natural materials and soothing, neutral colors. The bathroom features modern touches, marble surfaces, minimalist fixtures, and a neutral palette add freshness and cleanliness to the interior. The bedroom is a retreat for relaxation, with every detail thoughtfully chosen to create a serene ambiance. On getfloorplan.com, you can select from one of our packages, each revealing the potential of your property with varying levels of detail. We recommend the Plus set. It includes a 2D, 3D layout, a 360-degree tour, and high-quality renderings that showcase all the advantages of your property. The package is priced at $35, but with the promo code GETSTART, your first order comes with a 35% discount, bringing it down to just $22.75. With Elegance layouts, you can sell your property faster and for a better price. Visit getfloorplan.com to place your first order and take advantage of the discount.